Hey guys,
Hey Rax,
welcome back.
welcome back.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it.
Also, give this your thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. If you're feeling hot, thumbs up, thumbs up. Alright guys, meanwhile you go and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and tell babe how much I love her. Hey, there you are. Alright, hope you subscribe. Now, where are we going today, babe?
We are going to Times Square.
And the crowd go wild.
Yeah,
No,
this is like a handful of times since I've been to Times Square. How about you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, guys. New York, burn up the whole of my lip. The whole. Hold on. I don't know if you could even see it. The whole of my lip is burnt and swollen because of the weather. In Florida it's hot, in New York it's cold. The climate changed my lip. They've been trying to dress it for me. So I don't even know how I look right now on camera. All I know is that I'm feeling a little rusty.
But we worked on it. And we're working on it. Change of weather. But we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey Rex. So we're at the end of the day. And as you can see, we're a little bit flustered.
Tired.
So,
I have not took the subway in forever.
and it's very tiring, as you can see. But thank you guys for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
And we hope you like the video. You see my lip? This is what New York did to my lip. You see that? Yeah, baby's gonna take care of it later.
Yeah.
But guys, until we meet again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.